Choosing a domain name and hosting is an important step in establishing your online presence, whether it's for a personal blog, a business website, or any other online venture. Here are some steps to consider. Choosing a domain name. Relevance. Choose a domain name that reflects the purpose of your website. It should ideally convey what your website is about or represent your brand business. Simplicity. Keep the domain name simple, easy to spell, and easy to remember. Avoid using complex words, hyphens, or numbers that could confuse visitors. Keywords. If possible, include relevant keywords in your domain name. This can help with search engine optimization (SEO) and make it easier for people to find your website. Brandable. If you're creating a brand, consider a domain name that is unique and brandable. It should have the potential to become recognizable over time. Domain extension. The most common domain extension is .com, but there are many other options like .net, .org, .io, etc. Choose the one that suits your website's purpose. If your target audience is limited to a specific country, consider using that country's domain extension, e.g., .ok. Avoid copyright issues. Make sure the domain name you choose doesn't infringe on any existing trademarks or copyrights. Choosing hosting. Type of hosting. There are different types of hosting, such as shared hosting, VPS, virtual private server hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. Choose the type that aligns with your website's needs and expected traffic. Reliability and uptime. Look for a hosting provider with a reputation for high uptime, ideally above 99.9%. A reliable host ensures your website is accessible to visitors consistently. Resources. Ensure the hosting plan you choose provides enough resources, storage, bandwidth, processing power to accommodate your website's needs. Consider scalability for future growth. Support. Check the quality and availability of customer support. You'll want a hosting provider that can help you quickly if you encounter any technical issues. Security. Hosting providers should offer security features like SSL certificates, firewalls, and regular backups. Security is crucial to protect your website and user data. Control panel. A user-friendly control panel such as cPanel makes it easier to manage your website, databases, emails, and other aspects of hosting. Cost. Compare pricing among different hosting providers. Keep in mind that the cheapest option might not always be the best. Consider the value you're getting for the price. Reviews and recommendations. Research online reviews and ask for recommendations from others who have experience with hosting providers. This can give you insights into the reliability and quality of service. Remember that both domain name and hosting choices can impact your online presence, so take your time to make informed decisions. It's also possible to register a domain name and purchase hosting from separate providers, so don't feel restricted to using the same service for both.